Well, good morning, Rob. So we're getting our kick going this morning here at First Assembly. This is just a little preview what the coaches have in store for some of the kids kicking off tomorrow for, again, this Mighty Camp summer camp that they're doing. So they're starting it tomorrow, and it goes until Friday. So you will learn a lot of skills for people who don't know what they're doing, like myself, who continue to just do everything wrong. Oh no. Okay, Lyle, come over here. So he's the owner and the mind behind Mighty Kicks. Now, I hope that this camp will teach people like myself, but obviously between 5 and 12 years old, who might not have had too much experience with soccer, how to actually kick a ball properly, yeah?
Yes, this is very, very introductory work here. So don't worry about if your skills are not up to your expectations or whatever, but you're going to have a lot of fun. We got Coach Justin, Coach Tara out here this morning showing us a little bit of dribbling activities that we're going to be doing, scoring some goals and whatnot.
What's their background, just so parents know, who their kids are going to be around?
All of our coaches have either played collegiate or professional soccer. Coach Tara, who we got getting followed right now, played in Serbia. She played professionally over there and graduated from CSUB. We got Coach Justin now, who also graduated from CSUB, played professionally in Fresno, and also is still currently playing with the new McFarland team that we got over here, McFarland, Bakersfield, Delano, Wasco, and other surrounding small cities. So,
nice. And what about yourself?
I played a little bit. I played with Chivas USA,
okay.
Vancouver Whitecaps. I played in China for 2 years. Made my way back over to the United States, played with Texas, and then finished up with Chivas USA last season.
So this summer camp is 4 days long. Now the fourth day, there's a big party.
Yes.
Tell everybody about that party.
It's going to be a lot of fun. We're going to have bounce houses, water slides for the kids. We're going to have the Los Angeles Galaxy's professional entertainment. The footballers come out and put on a nice little juggling clinic for the kids. It's going to be amazing. And
registration is still open. People can still sign up. How much is that again?
It's $50 for the 4 days, so very reasonable price. And you're going to have, like I said, you're going to have a lot of fun. So get out here. You can meet me out here now until 7. We'll be out here. Or you can come to the church and sign up, as well as get online at mightykicksSJV.com and under programs there.
Now, just wondering, because I know that they'll learn some skills, but before we went on air, you were talking about how you hope that these kids will come away with other types of skills, just social skills, and be able to have a little more confidence.
Yes, so we really try to focus on life skills, character building out here. Yes, we play soccer, but that's secondary to what it is that we do. We really want to develop the children both on and off the field. And for instance, we'll be focusing on confidence, what it means to be brave, what it means to be honest, playing fair, things of that nature. So we're making sure that the kids are really getting something positive out of it.
Perfect. Well, thank you so much. We're going to have more here at First Assembly. Lyle, Justin, and Tara are going to teach me the basics of soccer throughout the morning, and hopefully I do them a little bit of justice because they're really good. So we're going to have more in a little bit right now. Ron, back to you.
All right, Kalina, thank you very much. 5-8.
I'm a mighty kicker today with Mighty Kicks here. This is what we're doing. So apparently we're going to play Battleship, and this is all a preview for tomorrow. Excuse me, tomorrow through Friday. Lyle, come over here because I'm going to start coughing. So tomorrow through Friday they're doing a kids camp. So explain a little bit what's going on and then what we're about to do.
Okay, so the kids camp, like we said, is going to be for ages 5 to 12. Developmental activities out there, introductory work, and character building for the kids. What we have set up here is a game called Battleships. So we have one team on one side of the field.
And this is something that you'll do for the camp too?
Yes, okay. Yes, another team over here, the winning team on this side, of course. There you go. Make sure you get the winning team. What we're going to do is we're going to try to kick the soccer balls at the other team's cones and knock them all down, all right? They're going to try to do the same and try to knock down our cones. However, they will miss every time.
Okay.
All right.
Sure. Let's try this. So again, this is just a little preview in tomorrow. How about you start? And we're doing it at the same time?
Together.
Oh.
All right.
All right.
Ready? 3, 2.
Oh Lord.
1, go.
Cones? I'm knocking over cones?
Come on, get some cones. Knock those
Oops, I kicked a cone. I kicked a cone, everybody. I kicked a cone. Wait, so then I re-kicked.
Yeah.
Oh, my Lord. All right, so again, this is all for Mighty Kicks preview happening. I don't know why I just tried to block that instead. Get your kids to come because Coach Lyle, Tara, and Justin will all be here again starting tomorrow through Friday. Friday they're doing a big party, and at that party they're going to have a bounce house. They're going to have some games. They're going to have entertainment. And the t-shirts that you see that they're wearing right now, those are t-shirts that your kids get too. So again, this is only $50, ages 5 through 12. They're teaching coordination, confidence, and they're building a lot more for these little kids. Apparently Lyle can just keep on going. And they take this very seriously, as you can tell. When they break up into teams, I mean, mine's the only one that fits us, but we have little kids. I think LJ just called me a loser because I kicked a cone instead of a soccer ball. But, you know, at least last time I was here, I don't know if you remember, I wore boots and heels into the grass. So at least I changed up my shoes a little bit. Okay, so let's talk a little bit more about these two. So we have Justin and Tara. You guys are going to be here for the next 4 days helping kids out. So how did you get involved, and just tell everyone briefly your history, your soccer history?
No problem. I know Lyle from CSUB when I played there at the time. Obviously he graduated from me, so a little bit older than me, but he was a good idol, especially being a local high school player at Stockdale. I played soccer at Garces, and originally I actually started playing football in college, and then I decided to come back and play soccer at Cal State Bakersfield.
Oh, that's cool. So now you're going to help all the kids get as good as you are.
I hope so. I'm glad to be back here in town and helping build the youth soccer program here up in town.
That's great. What about you, Tara?
Kind of the same background, like knowing Lyle from CSUB. A little bit of my background is I actually transferred to Cal State Bakersfield my junior year and went off and played overseas in Serbia. And then,
how was that experience like?
I mean, it was the most amazing experience that I've ever had, to be honest. And then just recently got back. I did a year of coaching up at Humboldt State with the women's soccer team up there. And then just excited to be back in Bakersfield and to be able to bring what I learned up there, learn professionally, to bring it to the kids and see the growth develop here in Bakersfield.
So what's one thing that you hope that parents get away from this, but also the kids kind of come away from a camp like this?
You know what, not just like the experience of soccer, but the growth and development of the person or the child in general. Like learning team building, learning leadership, learning playing fair and respect, like, is a huge part, and it's a huge part of Mighty Kicks, and that's what, I mean, we strive to teach these kids every day.
Yeah. And you were saying, Lyle, that this is open to any skill level. You don't have to be a professional. No. You don't have to be those, you know, 5-year-olds that can play with the 12-year-olds.
Right. Yeah, we have a couple of those there, and they're amazing. But if they never played a soccer game before or kicked a soccer ball, they're more than welcome to join us. We have games like you can see here. Any skill level can play this game here. Of course, we want to get
any skill level, everybody.
Don't get the cones that are still up, okay? Don't get those cones. Whoa.
Those are all the ones I did.
Yeah.
Totally.
Any skill level is welcome.
All right, so my skill level is beginner, and this was a lot of fun. So if you have a beginner at home, or your kid has been trying to get into soccer, trying to do something different, wanting to kind of branch out a little bit, this summer camp will be perfect. So make sure you sign up, and website one more time?
MightyKicksSJV.net.
Perfect. All right, so we'll have more in a little bit right now. Kendall, back to you.
All right, Kalina, thank you so much. A lot of fun.
He was doing this really cool trick on his head right now, and then he just stopped the second the camera went on. Can you do that again? Can you do that again? He looks like a dolphin, right? Like a dolphin with the ball on his head. All right, so we're talking about the summer camp, Mighty Kicks Summer Camp. It's kicking off tomorrow through Friday here at First Assembly. Lyle, one of the coaches, owner, director, the mind behind this whole thing. I looked at this ball earlier, and it has some pretty interesting things on there. How'd you guys come up with all this?
These are our life skills, and then our characters as well that help us tell stories to the children. So at the beginning of every session that we do, we have a life skill. So my favorite is respect others. We'll tell the kids our definition of what respect others is. They'll give us their definition, and then we'll give them a story along with it with Max, Emma, and Sidekick, and then we'll kind of let them see how it relates to their life, what it means to have respect on the field, what it means to have respect off the field, whether that relates to at home with mommy and daddy or at school with their teachers and their classmates. So that's what we really try to focus on.
So inspirational here. I love these people. All right, so earlier we played Battleship. We're giving you a little preview into what the soccer camp is going to be all about. We have Tara, a coach. We have Justin, another one. And then, of course, we have Lyle here. I didn't do so well in the first drill that we we did, but it's okay because we're gearing this towards beginners and advanced people, advanced kids, 5 through 12. So if you're like me or your kid is like me, then they will feel at home because they're in really good hands to make them feel like professionals, you think? Because you guys made me feel great.
Yeah, I mean, you were doing wonderful out there, so don't even worry about it.
All right, so what did you set up here? Because it looks
So we set up a little field, but we're going to play a game called Sharks and Minnows.
And this is something that you do for the camp?
Yes.
Okay.
All right, so what's going to happen is you're going to be in the middle there. You're going to be the shark, okay? We're going to be over here. We're going to be the minnows. So just as Justin asked you earlier.
I feel like I got the low end of the stick.
No, you got the kids always like to be the sharks, all right? Yeah, so
Okay.
just like Coach Justin said, it's like Finding Nemo. Okay, so you're going to be in the middle without a soccer ball. We're going to have the soccer balls here. We're going to dribble
Did
from
you
this
take
end
the
to
soccer
other.
ball away from me because of earlier?
No, not
I
at all.
hit a cone instead of a soccer ball, and this is my punishment?
Not at all. No, no.
Lord.
So what you're going to do is you're going to try to take our soccer ball from us before we make it to the other end.
Take the soccer ball
Yes.
from you.
All you got to do is kick it out. You kick it out, then we become a shark with you, okay? All right?
All right, we're going to shark it up, and we're going to kick it out. Wait, you guys don't all come at the same time? Oh, this is great. All right, everybody, first assembly, Mighty Kick Soccer Camp, kicking off tomorrow through Friday. Apparently, I'm supposed to kick these balls out of the way. Can you just go easy on me? And then they just whip it. So I hope for everyone else's sake, it goes a lot better for them than it did for me this morning. But again, 5 through 12, more than welcome here. Registration is still available. It's only $50 and they'll have a lot of fun, including the party happening on Friday. All right, we will have more in a little bit. Thanks, coaches. Right now, Robin Kindle, back to you.
All right, Kalina, thank you very much. 6:22.
Soccer summer camp. Apparently, they are not going to recruit me for this summer camp, but they will recruit your child because they're probably a lot better than I am. 5 years old to 12 years old. We're at First Assembly, and this is where Mighty Kicks is having their summer camp, kicking off tomorrow through Friday. Friday's going to be the big party. What's the time? We didn't even cover that.
9 to 11 a.m.
Oh, okay, perfect. And you can still register where?
So register online at mightykicksjv.net. You can come down to the church, 4901 California Avenue, First Assembly Church, or you can just bring me the registration, give me a call anytime.
Awesome. And this is Lyle, by the way, the mind and the maker behind this. Now, he gave me this sign because they're very much into building confidence and building ethics amongst kids, and we have respect others, the golden rule.
Yes, I love that rule right there. It's teaching kids, you know, keeping our hands to ourselves, stay in our own space, treat others the way we would like to be treated, and that's our golden rule there.
And I had no idea soccer was the most popular sport.
Of course. And the world's most fun sport when played with Mighty Kicks.
When played with Mighty Kicks. And I've had a lot of fun, and I have no idea what I'm doing. So we're going to continue that fun. We played Shark, a Finding Nemo game. We have played Battleship. And now we are playing something else. And I hope to redeem myself from earlier. Say hello to our other two coaches who will be here, Tara and Justin. And they're being so sweet, saying that I'm not horrible. But Lyle, on the other hand, gives me the truth. And he says,
know what she's talking
I'm
about.
bad. Now, what are we doing?
We're going to play some 2v2 now. We're going to finish up the game. All right, so us
2v2?
versus them, okay?
Oh, that makes sense.
All right, so you ready to score this goal or what?
Oh, you're just going to go for it?
Me and you, let's go.
Can I just?
Let's
Let's go. Let's do it. Yeah, I'm just gonna. Oh, you're. Oh no, you're. No, I don't want it. I don't want the ball. Why are you giving it to me?
Don't let him steal it from you.
He just stole it from me. Just so you know, I'm really bad at soccer, but I really want your kids to be better than me because they could be like Lyle and these two, Justin and Tara. So I just let him see. Oh, my team won. That was perfect teamwork, wasn't it? Tell me we were
You were
great.
excellent. You were excellent. Yes.
Perfect team. See, they help build confidence because my confidence is up because we just won. Thank you so much. Anyways, you should sign up. This has been fun. They are great, and they all have an incredible background when it comes to soccer. So if you want your kids in good hands, I suggest you come. Again, it kicks off tomorrow through Friday. And Justin, Tara, and Lyle will all be here for the Mighty Kicks Summer Camp. Thank you all so much. Right now, Rob Kendall, back to you.